Familia, te estoy diciendo, este es tan suavecito. Oh, I just love this. Hola, amigas. I'm Annette from Sephora Squad, and tonight I'm going to be showing you my evening skincare routine. Vámonos. Let me show you what I've got. Okay, amigas, so the first part of my entire routine starts with bioscience, and bioscience has a terrific squalene oil. Now, this is a plant-derived squalene. It's really terrific at breaking down a lot of your makeup, and you know, at the end of the day, when you have just that need to get all that grit off your face, this is a wonderful product to break that down. So I rub it and activate it in my hands, and I start working under my eyes because I normally have a lot of concealer, and by the end of the day, it's tight, it feels kind of dehydrated, and this is an instant hydration, and I can feel the makeup breaking down on my fingertips. And really, I don't use a lot of water in my nightly routine. I'm really big into activating the product and having the product do the heavy lifting of breaking stuff down. This feels so wonderful. I can feel every bit of mascara peeling off the lashes and just starting to lift off, and look at that. You can see how quickly this works. And watch this. This is where the magic starts to happen. You just start rubbing it off, and look at that. It just takes everything off. I love that feeling. Okay, so now I'm going to segue to the second part of my double cleanse, and I love Dr. Zenovia. This is the 10% benzoyl peroxide. It is a really gorgeous formula. It's kind of like a thick gel. It looks like this, and you don't need very much of it, but what I love to do is work it in with as little water as possible. Again, I'm going to put it in my hands to activate. I take a little bit of water, shake it off, and then I start moving it in. Now, most people do not wash their face long enough. They might slap it on and just try and get in and out really quick, but in order to get the best benefit of the product, really let that product work for you. And that normally is going to take about 30 to 60 seconds. You're going to start seeing that the products are doing what they promise to do, and that is lift away a lot of the grit, a lot of the grime, and yet they're going to leave you with a beautiful finish as well. Dr. Zenovia is really known for hormonal balance in skin, and I am in menopause. And so that's really important to me. So in order to get the best benefit out of it, I'm going to go ahead and massage it for at least 60 seconds. And also don't forget your neck, because you are putting foundation on your neck, concealers and contours, and now you're just ready for a really good rinse. If you use a really cool water on your rinse, it'll lift everything off and your skin's gonna feel really soft and actually pretty hydrated. So what I love is a really good toner. I think it's an important part to me and my skincare, and I couldn't live without it. And one in particular that's really an active product is Ren AHA toner. Now this toner is an active product, so you really want to make sure that your skin is cleansed. It doesn't have any irritations or blemishes, because you will feel this. This is, like I said, a really active toner, but it takes care of a lot of the dullness of your skin, and you can swipe it over and you'll see that my skin becomes really active. And what I mean by active is that it'll start to get the blood flow going, and you really want to use this toner at night predominantly. I really love this toner because you can see results pretty quickly in terms of your skin texture, and everybody wants a really nice smooth texture, and that's what this product will provide for you. At least for me it does. So while some people just love to double cleanse, I also love to double tone, because that's how much I believe in it. And the second one that I love to use is Paulas Choice. Now this is a beta hydroxy acid. It is their 2% exfoliant toner, and it works on the lower levels of your skin, the lower layers. This is going to be targeting hyperpigmentation, because that's where hyperpigmentation happens. It will surface at the top layers of your skin, but it really starts to happen in the lower levels, and that's what this product does for me. So I put it on right after my alpha hydroxy acid, but again, it's meant to go deeper into your skin, alleviate some of that hyperpigmentation to prevent it from coming up to the upper surfaces. So you might have noticed that I use a lot of acids in my beauty routine nightly, and that's because I'm 55, and as you get older, the cell turnover slows down. So my fountain of youth is these types of products in this kind of fashion. But I pick and pull. Some days I end up using more products, and some days I end up using less. And tonight, I think I am going to forego my serum, but I am going to go for a moisturizing balm, specifically an eye cream and a lip cream, and this is a Ren's Recovery Balm. This is a luxurious product. It really is beautiful, and I take it with the spatula because what it ends up doing is that it will melt instantaneously almost with your body heat. So I love to use this product around my crow's feet, the fine lines. It is like a big glass of water. The hydration is almost instantaneous. Now the product will disappear quickly, so don't be surprised by that, but I put it over my upper lip and my mannequin lines and down below just to soften those lines, give it the hydration that it needs. It really smooths out and absorbs quickly. This is a really terrific product for those specific areas, but you can utilize it all over your face. Okay, amigas, I'm going to leave you with a beautiful moisturizer. Now, this is an all-over moisturizer. This is from Pharmacy and is the Halo Moisturizer. It has a gorgeous little metal spatula that is magnetic, so you're never going to lose it. But you do want to use the spatula because this is a rich moisturizer, and you're going to need to get in there and use about that much. You can go ahead and apply it directly from the spatula or use your fingers. Again, body heat is a great way to move moisturizer around your skin. And this will just completely give you that soft, dewy finish that a moisturizer should. This has ceramides, and so it's really going to be great for dry skin, and it's going to hydrate everything and get you ready for your beauty sleep. So amigas, this was my evening skincare routine. I hope I introduced you to some fabulous products that are new to you. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. A la próxima. Adios.